thunderstorm warning for the Eastern District of Columbia, southeastern Arlington County in northern Virginia, southeastern city of Alexandria in northern Virginia, central Prince George's County in central Maryland, southern Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, eastern Fairfax County in northern Virginia, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:44 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near National Harbor and moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. A tornado warning remains in effect for a portion of the warned area. Locations impacted include Marlow Heights, Camp Springs, Anacostia, U.S. Capitol, Andrews Air Force Base, Coral Hills, Forestville, Galati University, St. Pleasant, Kenilworth. A tornado watch is in effect for the warned area. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, move indoors to a sturdy building and